Hey friends, good morning. It is quite early here in Florida. Can you hear the frogs? Listen, if this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you as a subby friend. And today I am bringing to you this super fun tumbler. This is so fun, and I have a couple more of these I'm going to be making. So this tumbler is from the Dollar Tree, and it is so cute. Now it is two parts, so I have it super glued up here now so that a child can't take it apart. However, the top and the base are two separate pieces. So this has epoxy over it. However, it comes off and it was epoxied separate. So it never touches the base, and the actual cup itself was not on. The actual cup itself was never on while it was being epoxied. So this is really cute. It's a shaker cup, Finding Nemo, and I love how it has a background and then the pictures and then the shaker sand in it. I think that this turned out so adorable, and I can't believe these tumblers are from the Dollar Tree. So cute. I'll show you up close if I can. See if we can get the whole thing. So this is really cute, such a fun idea, and the video of doing this tumbler is attached. I hope you like it. I hope it gave you maybe some inspiration on something you want to do. And yeah, these are amazing tumblers. Run out to the Dollar Tree and get some. I just love them. And all the information on what the cup looks like from the beginning and stuff is going to be in the video. All right. Hey, listen, thank you, friends. I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day. Bye. All right, friends. So this is the mug that we're going to use. Let me show you one with a tag on it. Here's one with a tag. It's Design Your Own Travel Mug. All right. So this is how it comes. Now, these are $1 from the Dollar Tree. So, you know, with it being from the Dollar Tree, not knowing, you know, like, is the plastic safe for epoxy? Well, this is for a kid, so we want to be really careful. So this is a really good alternative. Now, when I looked it up, it says that it's polypropylene, and if that's the case, it's very safe because it doesn't say whether it's number 4 or number 5, but polypropylene, either way, 4 or 5 is a safe plastic. However, because it's not marked, without taking chances, this is a great way to do it. So this is your mug, right? And this outside here is what I'm going to epoxy, and I'm going to do that without this being on it. So there will be no contact for this to this. And there is, you know, space between it also. So this is what I'm going to use, but I'm going to use this also. So here are my pictures. So this is going to be, let's see if I can make it so you can see those. Okay. So this is going to be my base picture here. So this is going to go on this one. So I need this to be, that one's going to be 4.5. And then around now it's tapered, so, you know, it will definitely not like go squarely on because it's tapered, but it'll be fine. It's so 8. So 8, and then 4.5. Oh, you can't see that. Hold on. 4.5. All right. So I'm going to use print and cut. I'm not going to go through showing you all of that because it'll make the video very, very long if I do that. But I'm going to make this 8 by 4.5. And then all of my stickers here, my decals here, I'm going to do them in a clear sticker paper. This is going to be solid. This is going to be clear because I want to see how the clear looks. And the nice thing with this is, because this isn't the part that you drink out of, I can put the stickers on, the decals on, and if I don't like how they look on a clear, I can just take and paint inside underneath the stickers white so that you can see the pictures really well, and it won't matter because this isn't getting drunk out of, and in the end this will be secured on. Now the other thing is too, because some of these have these little teeny tiny little pieces to them, and I don't want to have to like cut around all these weird pieces, is another reason why I'm using clear sticker paper on it, because I don't want to have to, you know, do that. These, I'm going to make each of them the height 1.5. Now this, I'm going to make, the width will be 8. Okay, and then the height, it is a taper, so I might lose some as I taper. I'm actually going to make it 5. All right, that's fine. All right, so now I'm going to make these, and I'll come back when they're done. So this one will be solid. Those will be clear sticker paper. All right. So here are my pieces printed. This is my base, and here are my clear stickers. Now I printed several because I didn't want to waste a piece of sticker paper. And so now I'm going to put this on here. This vinyl is from Hobby Lobby, and it is very similar. It's the Paper Studios brand, which is very, very similar to the Cricut vinyl. Now, not the Cricut sticker paper. The Cricut sticker paper, not a fan of. It's very, like, hard to use. My printer won't pick it up, but the Cricut printable vinyl is my favorite because it is so like moldable, like it's thin and it's stretchy, and I can't always find it. And when I can't, the Paper Studio is my next favorite. It's so much like the Cricut vinyl, like it's amazing. It is so nice. And it is also like very, very stretchy and moldable. And now, even though I did print and cut, I didn't do the print and cut portion because, again, I didn't want to worry about like little flippers and, you know, little pieces. All right, so we'll put on Dory. All right, and put our shark. All right, so now we're gonna put some epoxy on our cup. Now remember, this is just the outside wall of it, so nothing, you're not epoxying at all to the cup itself. This is just the outside wall. And the only reason why I put a little bit of tape up here is just because I wanted to make sure I didn't get any epoxy in the little screw joints. Hey, Chloe, do you need to go outside, baby? Come on, Mommy, let you out. There you go. All right, so I have my 2-part epoxy here. And I'm not really sure how many coats we'll end up putting on this because, again, I mean, it's the outside of the cup, but, you know, we want to make sure that, you know, we don't want too much because we don't want it heavy, but then we want to make sure that, you know, there's no sign of lines from our stickers, from our decals, you know. And I have a tiny little bit of sparkle in here, just because I've been on my clear ones like this, I've been putting just a little bit of sparkle. Not a lot, but I like it. I think it gives it a nicer look. That's really just preference. Now, I am pretty good with the, you know, with the epoxy mixer. I haven't really been getting any like fine bubbles or anything, but if you do, of course, take your heat gun to them. All right, so we'll be back when this is done. All right, so this is done. It turned out super cute. Everything's nice and smooth. And then we've got this piece here where we put our background on. Now I've got my sand. I haven't lately been able to get out to the beach and sift sand. I've had so much going on. So I have, you know, bought sand. So, and I think I'm gonna put, we'll see how it goes, but I feel like I'm gonna put a few little like mermaid glitters in here. Now I will go back and I'll go back and put some super glue on this. I just want to make sure that I'm happy with where it is first. But holy cow, look how adorable this is. Look how cute this is. So here is my finished product, and this is so cute. Now I will put some super glue on the rim so that, you know, a little kid can't open it, but this is so cute. And then my epoxy part never touches my actual cup if you're concerned about A, plastic, and B, about, you know, little kids. How cute is that? All right, well listen, I hope you guys liked it, and thanks.